Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to fill up ArriveCAN app entry when you are coming to Canada as a student. So before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe right now because I regularly upload videos. And if you have any concern, any question, anything that comes in your mind, feel always absolutely free to ask. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, I have made similar videos in past as well, but now the app has changed, so that is why I'm showing it once more. What you need to do is, like, first of all, download the ArriveCAN app, install it and register for it. And once your travel details are finalized, click on entry by air if you're coming by flight, that most of the people are gonna do. So as you can see the changes here, it is asking you, it is informing you about mandatory travel requirements. Prior to completing your ArriveCAN submission, please be aware that requirements including the following are subject to certain exemptions which may be applicable to you, and it can be changed at any time. So first it talks about PCR testing, molecular COVID-19 test. Okay, and then you should have a quarantine plan. Okay, and you'll be also you also have to take a test on arrival and then again on day 10, and you must stay at a government of Canada approved hotel for first 3 nights. So you need to click I acknowledge that to accept. Have you had or any traveler listed in the submission tested positive for COVID-19 on a sample collected between 14 and 90 days? So what happens if you click yes? Travelers who have tested positive for COVID-19 on a sample collected between 14 and 90 days before the scheduled departure of their flight are not required to take a molecular COVID-19 test upon entry and day 10 or of their quarantine period, and can proceed directly to their final quarantine destination. That's good. If you select no, then it gives you more information that negative COVID-19 test on a sample taken no more than 40 to 72 hours before the scheduled departure of the flight, or positive COVID-19 test on sample collected at least 14 days and no more than 90 days before the scheduled departure of the flight. There are limited number of exceptions where individual is not required to show proof of molecular COVID-19 test. So you have to acknowledge this. Now it is asking if you are a travel exempt, select no as an international student. Now here you come, you see all the options. If you expand there, you find this: a foreign national who holds a study permit, whose application for a study permit was approved, or who is entitled to study for study permit at the port of entry, and who seeks to enter Canada to study at a designated learning institution listed on the immigration IRCC website. So as an international student, you got to select this. Next it asks for the airport. So right now we know that only 4 airports in Canada are serving international traffic. So let's say you're coming through this Pearson, and let's say your carrier is Air Canada. Let's say you're coming through the flight AC043 because this comes directly. Select the date of arrival, and if I'm not wrong, it comes around 5:30. Next is to register your travel document. I'll just put a sample number. Let's say I put a sample name. And I put sample date. Next it will be asking about contact details, quarantine time, or add more travelers if you have. That I have already covered in other videos, and at the end it's gonna submit the information. So I'm not going to go through those steps again, as I've already shown you before, and you can check other videos that I have uploaded. I'm gonna include a link in the description as well for you. So I hope you like this video. Make sure to hit like and comment, and if you have any concern, any question, anything that comes in mind, feel always absolutely free to ask. Thank you guys.